Hey everybody, it's JBJ Hornady. We got a good glass of tea here. So got this in the mail today. As you can see, it's the Hornady Case Prep Duo. I had the Trio. Didn't really care for it. It did this and had one other spot on it, so you could do like Remington pockets or whatever brush, whatever. I got this because I have all this here 5.7 by 28 brass that I got to work on. So I already thought this out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this onto this piece of wood here, okay? I'm going to use a little bit of this here, some Scotch Mount extreme tape. See there? This is going to be my little catch tray for the shavings, hopefully. And I'm going to use some zip ties just in case the tape doesn't work. So we're going to get started. So I'm going to open this up here. And by the way, if you haven't done so already, go like, subscribe, hit the notification buttons. If you don't want to get notified, just like, subscribe. And I'm thinking about doing a giveaway here in the near future. So it might be one of these, or maybe something else. Maybe a free battle box. Whatever, so throw this out in the trash. So my biggest thing I've been trying to find out is, does this thing, so look at that, hold on a second. I don't know if you're gonna see that, but this is like a little bitty rechargeable drill, right? So that's that, turns this to whatever, right? I'm wondering if you could just, I'm gonna make something, maybe. So anyway, so that's just a drill, and this is just like a little special adapter piece that goes to it. So it'd be kind of cool if just made one of these, you chuck it on your drill, and you get your little bits. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, so what it does come with, okay, it comes with user manual, where all this great info is, and as some of y'all probably noticed, right? I don't really read a lot of manuals, so whatever. So the manual comes with charger, so you can actually take this off. It says unlock, open. So see, open. Anyways, I don't have to worry about it, but either way, it comes with this plug, so that way you can use it in those foreign countries. So that's in the box. Notice cardboard. It's got a little cheap plastic liner in there. So hopefully this thing really helps me out with prepping this brass. Actually, it's going to go this way because I'm right-handed and I just do it that way. So pull this off. This little rubber boot thing. Like I said, that is no joke, a 1/4 inch thing, like for like screwdrivers and stuff like that. So then you just take this little bad mamma jamma, and there you go. So I'm thinking, yeah. So this turn, lock, unlock. Here's the red thing. Oh, there you go. So to put it on, it just clicks, right? Clicks in there. And right here, there's a little unlock and lock. So if you're looking at it from the top, you turn it to the right, it unlocks it, and you pull this off. So I'm going to leave it on there for now. Battery's already got some juice. So my biggest thing is Will it work while being plugged in? I'm not going to read the manual. I'm going to be hard-headed about this. So I already got my little cord plugged in. Plug this in. See if it'll run while being plugged in. Oh, seriously? So it does not run while being plugged in. As you can see, it's plugged in. I really wish it did, because that would make things so much easier. Because today and yesterday, when I was doing all this brass, several thousand pieces of brass with my drill, I went through 2.5 batteries that were fully charged. So I'm doing this. So on the giveaway, what would y'all rather be given? I know these are way more expensive than the bottle box, but it'll be roughly about the same value. So I'll be doing the video by the end of this month. I got to figure out everything, how to do everything with it. So I'll post the video and this, that, and the details and all this other stuff. This stuff is really sticky. I use this stuff for a lot of different things. So what I'm gonna do is turn this over. So first, I'm gonna see how, I'm gonna put on these little feet, because you got these two little rubber feet, okay? And the way it's made is so you have like a little, you're on a bench or whatever. So there's that. So I'll do that. Well, I'll do one real quick. So you have a little catch tray or whatever, you just, of course that's going the wrong way. So here's go the other way. So I had them going the wrong way. So not bad. Does a pretty good job. I like it. So there's one piece. So you can do that, so it kind of keeps it pushed around. So what I want to do is put it here. Oh, and there's a lock button, so you don't have to hold it down, which is great. Low lock button. So to engage lock button, you push the button down, hold it, release it, and then just push that and it cuts off. So I gotta line this up so if I do have to use zip ties, it doesn't interfere with anything. So I'm gonna turn this over. I'm gonna put a nice good sized piece of this tape here on the front and the back little feet, because the fact I want this to be something I can literally be sitting there watching TV doing it. So anyway, so I got this thing off Amazon. It wasn't too much. I think it was like 50, 60 bucks. The Trio Prep Center thing was a little bit more. So actually I'm going to put this on the table first. So I get my first piece roughly right about there. And I get my second piece. This stuff is really sticky. I use this for cell phone mounts in my truck. That one. There we go. So I know where those are going. So press those down. Get this other side off. And if this doesn't work, that's why I got the zip ties. I got two. They're like 1/4 inch zip ties. So evidently this stuff's being a pain to come off. Come on. So as far as the giveaway, while I'm doing this, I can talk and get this done at the same time. So it would be a video. So what you'd have to do is you have to go through, subscribe to my channel, notification button, and then you have to go on each one of my videos and like type in something, you know, whether it be 2A USA, Go Guns, whatever, you know, just something cool. And then what I would do is I would so there we go, get it lined up. All right, so got that. My little tray fits right up under here, like so. So press the button, lock that. I just need another bin, another thing to put these in. So there's one. So it ain't bad. The motor doesn't really seem too strong because I don't know if y'all can hear it. Kind of bogs down a little bit. So I got like 7 so far. So I got my little box to put it in. Alright, I got my little box on the side, so you know, you can just grab a handful. So that's gonna slide a little bit. So far it's sticking, it's not going anywhere. And you can just sit this in your lap and do it, you know. So as of right now, it doesn't seem like I need to use a zip ties. Maybe later on down the road I will. Then if you have one that's got a little crimp primer or whatever, you can like the primer's crimped or whatever. So, and on a table you could probably put some of this sticky stuff or just a piece of rubber matting. So let's see, I'm gonna sit this in my lap and see how it does as far as sliding around. Not too bad. Of course, you're not trying to ram the living daylights out of it, you know. So I'm gonna finish up this handful. Yeah, so if you want the information about the giveaway, you know, make sure you like, subscribe, you know, so that way you're notified when I do release the video for it and what it will be. Okay, so this is actually pretty good. So yeah, it does the reaming and the chamfering. So far so good. Then turn it off. There you go. So I like it. It's pretty nifty. I can sit here and do this. Just sit here on the table, hold my hand. No, turn it on and just sit here and hold my hand and go at it. So I just did probably 20 pieces right there. So in a matter of a few minutes. So other than that, I like it. The only thing I wish is it would work while plugged in. We got a light here that turns on when it's charging. Got a little thing to catch my brass shavings. I don't know if y'all can even see the little bit of brass shavings there is in there. And it seems like it's, there you go. So, no, put your little rubber feet on there or something. Sit at the table watching TV, whatever, and you're all good to go. So, like I said, to be notified when the drawing, giveaway, whatever's happening, make sure you like, subscribe, hit notification button, and so forth. So, stay safe out there, America. Stay great. Have a great week.